This shivling is nothing but a piece of stone. But this piece of stone has so much symbolism and it means so much. Hindus will be told, you guys are worshipping stone. Oh, definitely, we are worshipping stone. Hari vyapak sarvatra samana prem te pragat hoi mai jana. God is present everywhere. And He is present in everything. And if you can't see Him everywhere, and you can't see Him in everything, first of all, you don't know God. And secondly, if God can't be present in a piece of stone, then something wrong with God. Isn't that so? So see which one is best for you. You don't know who God is, or something wrong with God. So as Hindus, we see God everywhere, even in a piece of stone. And when we worship Him there, devotees, we will feel the energy emanating from the stone. Premate pragata hoi me jana. Wherever you give love to God, He will come. If thin air you call out to God, He will come. If you call out to God in a piece of stone, He will come. The energy that surrounds Him comes from the devotion of the devotee. Let us worship Bhagwan with that conviction and faith in our heart. प्रेम से बोलिए सांब सदाशिव भगवान की जय.